Good evening, everyone. We are starting class right now. So in previous class, we have discussed about different concept of drone that we can use it like different type of drone that we can use it in component required in a drone that we are going to discuss first. Then after that, we are going to discuss about that simulator. With the help of that, you can simulate it easily. So that we are going to discuss over here. So So the simulator that we are going to discuss, that is very interesting and that is free of use. So you can use it freely also. Yes. So let's get started over here. So first of all, we are going to use few component. That component I'm just going to share with you. So let's see it. Yes. So over here, you will able to see few components of the drone that we are going to use it. So like this one is a small drone that you can see it. So the size of the drone is very small. So what are the different configuration of that drone? We can take it like whenever we have to, whenever we have to make a drone. So which size we have to take it? So there are different categories of the drone in the size and their specification and the range. So when we talk about micro drone, so micro drone we can use it, and nano drone also we can use it. Nano and micro two category we can use it easily without license. But when we talk about higher configuration drone, like bigger than that specific drone size, so for that we have to go with the license. So now over here I'm just going to share with you few configurations. तो यहाँ पे देखिएगा ये वाला ड्रोन है, ये स्मॉल साइज ड्रोन में है हमारा. So the frame size is also very less, that is approximate 115 like that. So 115 11 15 115, that is the size configuration over there in this drone. And you will get drone in a different size. So जैसे कि हम एक standard frame देखते हैं drone का, so that frame come up with a 450 size. 450. So what is the meaning of that 450? And that frame also I'm just going to share with you. So just quickly I'm just giving you an overview. So अगर आपको थोड़ा फेमिलियरिटी होगी ओवरव्यू से कि कैसे कैसे हमें यूज करना है, सो यू कैन एबल टू मेक एनी काइंड ऑफ ड्रोन इजीली. सो ये वाला सिंपल ड्रोन है. यहाँ पे इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट ये है कि ये जो बोर्ड माइक्रो कंट्रोलर वी आर यूजिंग इट ओवर हियर, और वी कैन कॉल इट फ्लाइट कंट्रोलर, दैट इज के बोर्ड. ये के बोर्ड से ऑपरेटेड ड्रोन है. So over there we are going to use battery that is also very small, that you can see battery is also small. So how we have to select it, that what should be the battery rating? So battery rating कितनी होनी चाहिए, वो कैसे हम select करेंगे, that also I'm going to discuss over here. Yes. So now over there you can see in this drone, so we are using motors. Those are also very small size motor, and their rating is also very important. We are going to use those motors. So their rating and their RPM. So how we have to select it, that is also important. Then after that there is one very nano drone. This one is a nano drone. So that also you can make it over there. ये जो nano drone है, यहाँ पे क्या होगा कि जो मोटर्स यूज होती है यहाँ पे, दैट इज नॉट ए बीएलडीसी मोटर, दैट इज पीएमडीसी. जैसे कल हमने डिस्कस किया था, दैट इज पर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक स्पीड कंट्रोल जो होता है हमारा, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक स्पीड कंट्रोलर जो ड्राइवर होता है, so that is not required in a nano drone. If you are going to make it a smaller size, so that you can make it easily. Over there you can take battery, you can connect battery also, flight controller also available over there. So that is also very small size flight controller that you can use it over there, and that you can make it using Arduino also. So one more I'm just going to share with you one flight controller also for. So you can type all the queries. I will answer all the queries at the end of the session, not right now. So this one is a flight controller of Nano Drone. So I'm just going to share with you flight controller. So this one is a very small size flight controller. Wait for a second. Let me do setup. Am I audible to everyone? Voice is audible to everyone? Voice is audible to everyone? You can type in the chat box. Am I audible to everyone? Okay, that's great. So this one is a flight controller that we are going to use in a drone. So ये जो flight controller है हमारे यहाँ पे, that flight controller that we are going to use it in the nano drone. ये nano drone के लिए है. So यहाँ पे हम नैनो ड्रोन को इससे कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं, और कनेक्ट करने के बाद यहीं पे इसी में क्या लगा हुआ है, आपका रिसीवर भी लगा हुआ है. रिसीवर इज ऑल्सो कनेक्टेड इन दिस ड्रोन, इन दिस फ्लाइट कंट्रोलर. और यहीं पे हमारा सेंसर भी लगा हुआ है, दैट इज जायरोस्कोप सेंसर. सो दैट ऑल्सो कनेक्टेड. जस्ट वी हैव टू कनेक्ट 4 मोटर्स डायरेक्टली. मोटर्स को हमें कनेक्ट करना है, ईएससी की भी रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं होती है. सो विद द हेल्प ऑफ दैट वी कैन मेक नैनो ड्रोन. So nano drone can be made easily, and there is a no permission is required to fly in nano drone. So nano drone के लिए कोई permission भी आपको नहीं चाहिए fly करने के लिए, and you can work on the nano drone easily. So then after that, this one is a drone that is micro drone that you can see it over here. In this micro drone size, over there the weight limit, that is important. Weight limit is very important over there. Whenever we are going to use weight limit, so over there we have to take care that the drone weight should not be more than 250 grams. 250 grams से ज़्यादा आपका weight नहीं होना चाहिए. If your drone is coming under in the weight of 250 gram, so that you can operate it easily without any kind of license and all that. So now what next I'm going to do it over here. So in this drone, the flight controller we are using, that is KK board. KK board flight controller that is easily available in the market. और ये वाला जो फ्लाइट कंट्रोलर है, आपको कोडिंग नहीं करनी पड़ेगी इस फ्लाइट कंट्रोलर में, बिकॉज सम पार्टिसिपेंट यस्टरडे वर आस्किंग कि सर बिना कोडिंग के हम कैसे ड्रोन बना सकते हैं. सो ओवर देयर you have to use those buttons, and with the help of that button you can set up their PID parameters. बेसिक पैरामीटर आप सेटअप कर सकते हैं. So that we can do it. And over there we are using small battery. That how we can select that battery, that also we are going to discuss in a detail in one session. Battery selection, motor selection, and then after that that ESC selections and frame size selection, that we are going to do one dedicated session on that selection of different component over there in a drone, and their propeller selection, propeller mounting. So now we are going to discuss over here very important concept, that is about simulation. Because when we are going to make a drone, जैसे ही हमने ड्रोन बनाया, सो मैक्सिमम टाइम हम एक डिफिकल्टी फेस करते हैं कि जब उसे फ्लाई करते हैं. सो व्हेन वी आर गोइंग टू फ्लाई इट, सो द ड्रोन गेट क्रैश्ड. क्या आपने इतनी मेहनत से इतना पैसा लगा के एक ड्रोन बनाया, एंड द ड्रोन गेट क्रैश्ड. व्हाई इट इज सो? क्योंकि आपने जो प्रैक्टिस आपकी नहीं थी ड्रोन को फ्लाई करने की. सो for that we are going to use one simulator software, so that you can install it in your computer also, and you can install that specific mobile app also in your mobile. But in a mobile you will find limited feature, but in a desktop or in a computer you will find maximum feature of that specific mobile app, so that we can use it. Now I'm just going to share with you one more frame size, that is bigger one frame size. So that I'm just going to share over here. Yes. This one is another frame size that you can see it over here. All the separate component is over here. This one is not assembled. So when we talk about this one drone, so over there size is little bit bigger as comparison to the previous. So for that we have to make a bigger drone with the frame size is 450. So maximum time when we are going to make any drone, that is do it yourself. So over there we are going to find this one frame that is available in the market also, so that you can see it. So now this one frame that we are going to assemble it at the end, this one. And but right now we are going to discuss about their different components and how we can do simulations. So that we are going to do right now. So I'm just going to share with you another computer screen over there. I'm just going to share with you that software that we are going to use it. Wait for a second. Okay, so now I'm just coming to another screen. So be with me. Okay, so over here we are going to discuss about that specific software that is being used for drone simulation. So the software that we are going to use it, that is very important. So let me share with you that software we are going to use it. So that software name is, that is FPB, that we are going to use it over here. So how to install it, all the step that I'm just going to share with you. Yes, this one is a software that we are going to use it. So in this software, how we have to use it and how we have to practice it, that is very important. So So over there, what we are going to do it, we are going to open that software FPV Skydive. So this one software that you can open it in a mobile app also with the name of same FPV Skydive. So that you can open it in a mobile app. So for that you have to go to the mobile app, and over there you have to search with the name of FPV. So that you have to search it in your Play Store also, FPV Skydive. So if you are going to search it on the Play Store, you will be able to get it. So how to download that software, that also I'm just going to share with you. Am I audible to everyone now? Voice is audible to everyone. So voice is audible to everyone. Yes and no, give a response in the chat box. Voice is not clear. Okay, wait for a second. Let me shift another voice source. Voice is audible now. Am I audible to everyone? Okay, that's great. So first of all, when we are going to use this software, so what we have to do it over here, we have to install it. So how we can install it over here? So for that, first of all, I'm going to open it. So you can search it on the Google with the name of FPV. So like this. So as you are going to search it on the Play Store पे जैसे आप search करेंगे, you have to search with the name of fpv.skydive. So with this name you have to search it and you will able to find beta version. Beta version आपको मिलेगा अपने mobile app में install करने के लिए, so that you can install it over there. So what next I'm going to do it, you can install it in your mobile phone also, and I'm going to install it in a offline mode. Offline mode mean in my computer that I'm going to open it and going to install it. So first of all, you have to download that GoStream. That GoStream software, you have to download it, and after that you have to, like is I'm going to click it how to download that GoStream. So click over there and you will find this software store.streampower.com, and over there we have to install that stream. This stream we have to install it. So after installing this stream, what next we have to do it, over there we have to search it. So in this stream we have to search this one fpv.skydive. fpv. So no need to worry if you are not having FPV control. So you will able to control it using mobile phone also. Mobile touch also you can use it. I will let you know how you can do it. So over there what we have to do it, next what we are going to do it. So we have to search that FPV Skydive in a search community over there. Your store over there you have to search this one FPV Skydive. So as we are going to search it over there, so what next we have to do it over here, we have to open it. So I'm going to open it. This one I'm going to open it, going to run it. So there is option of play game. So as we are going to click over there, play game, so it's asking about that have you installed that Steam. I'm going to click yes and open the Steam directly in my computer. और जैसे ही हम अपने कंप्यूटर में Steam ओपन करेंगे, so you will able to run that software in your computer. So ये सॉफ्टवेयर आपका रन होना स्टार्ट हो जाएगा. So installing process is very easy. So it asking that press any key. So as I'm going to press any key, so my software get started. So now what we are going to do it over here, ये करने के बाद हमें क्या करना है? So what next we have to do it over here? Okay, you can install it also, no need to worry. You can install it also in your mobile phone. So or in your computer, you can install it if you want to work with me simultaneously. So I will repeat it again also, no need to worry over here. So in Play Store, you no need to install FPV control. You have to install from the Play Store, that is FPV Skydive. FPV Skydive, that you have to install it, not control. So from the Play Store, you have to install that FPV. So over there, as I told you, from the Play Store, you have to install this one, FPV Skydive. So you will find other also over there. So you have to install this one only. So after installing it, what next you have to do? We are going to run it in the computer that is running. जैसे हमारे कंप्यूटर पे भी वर्क कर रहा है. So what we are going to do it? We are going to do the training module. So the training module is very important because we are going to train our own self that how it will work. So let's see how it will work. So first of all, we are going to click on this training module. So you will able to find this stadium view. So it's showing that your joystick is not connected. You can connect your remote control also. अगर आपके पास रिमोट कंट्रोल है या रिमोट ट्रांसमीटर है, उसे भी आप कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं और रियल टाइम विजुअलाइज कर सकते हैं कि ड्रोन की जो आपका रिमोट की स्टिक्स होती है उनसे कि कैसे आपको फॉरवर्ड और रिवर्स करना है, आपको लेफ्ट राइट करना है, हाउ वी आर गोइंग टू यूज डिफरेंट कमांड्स ओवर देयर. So we are not having that one. So we are going to use these key in a computer, in a keyboard, that these keys we are going to use it. So ये वाली keys है, इनका हम use करेंगे. So these keys we are going to use it. So some participant is saying how. So in Play Store also I will share with you that how you can go with it. So let me demonstrate it over here, then I will share with you in a Play Store also how you can do it. So that session is being get recorded in the YouTube, that is live broadcasted over there. You can access over there in the YouTube later on also. So what we are going to do it over here, I'm going to dismiss it, or over there you can see these keys are important. So ये वाली key है WSAD, you can note it down, IJKL. इन कीज से हम क्या करेंगे, ड्रोन को कंट्रोल करेंगे. सेम वे इन योर रिसीवर, इन योर ट्रांसमीटर ऑल्सो you will find forward, reverse, left, right, all these movement you will find it over there in your joystick, that I will share with you also that how it will work. So now I'm going to dismiss it. As I'm going to dismiss it, the basic is being get started. So you have to follow all the step one by one. सभी step आपको one by one follow करने हैं. So यहाँ पे सबसे पहले आपको क्या करना है? What you have to do first, you have to see when the learning how to fly a drone, getting the hang of control is the most important part, that how you have to control it. If you are not familiar with the control, and if you are not able to control it, so you will not able to fly any drone. आप इन्वेस्टमेंट कर सकते हैं, ड्रोन खरीद भी सकते हैं और ड्रोन बना भी सकते हैं, दैट इज वन थिंग, दैट इज वन स्किल, बट द फ्लाइंग स्किल इज सेपरेट. if you are not able to fly it, if you are not able to control it, so definitely your drone will meet a accident, or drone will be get crashed. So the first baby step that we have to take over here, push the stick very gently. I mean the stick that we are going to, joystick that we are going to discuss, gently we have to press it forward or reverse. We have to move it slightly, movement, that is important, so that we can control it. Maximum time when we are doing those drone workshop in a live, so in a offline mode, so student used to just press that throttle fully or that stick fully, because they are not having a control, and drone is just flying in a very high speed, and crash took place over there. So if the drone is going on the high or more high or bigger height, so suddenly as you are going to turn it off, so drone is coming back on the ground with a very fast speed, and definitely it will be get crashed. So that is important over here. So now if you are going to control drone, so we are going to start it like this. So you can install that mobile app also. In mobile app you will not find that trainer module, so directly you have to use it over there in the mobile, and you will get play option over there in a mobile. So it will start downloading data, touch screen option. It will ask touch the screen, and you will be able to see all the options. So in this mobile app you will find fly, choose map and setting, and joystick calibration. Only 4 function you will find it over there in a mobile. Magnification बहुत ज़्यादा है joystick of this software in a phone. Yes, there is a magnification high, mean high movement is over there in a mobile, but you have to practice it. So यहाँ पे हम क्या करेंगे, सबसे पहले we are going to proceed it. So यहाँ पे हम proceed करते हैं सबसे पहले. So you can see these keys one by one. हमें क्या करना है, इन keys को follow करना है. So we have to follow these keys one by one. Okay, crashing every time in a phone, because when we talk about this software in a phone or the mobile app, that is a beta version, might be that is not working properly, but it will work very smoothly in a computer. You can try few feature over there in a mobile. So यहाँ पे सबसे पहले देखिएगा, ये आपका जैसे ड्रोन है, और यहाँ पे आपने कैमरा भी माउंट किया हुआ है और जीपीएस भी माउंटेड है. So when we talk about drone, so this one is a camera and this one is a GPS. सो जीपीएस से आप प्रॉपर लोकेशन पे आपको मूव करना है, लोकेशन भी आप ट्रैक कर सकते हैं. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू इट, वी आर गोइंग टू फ्लाई द ड्रोन अपवर्ड एंड मेंटेन एल्टीट्यूड ओनली बाय यूजिंग थ्रोटल. थ्रोटल से आप क्या करेंगे, थ्रोटल मीन्स स्पीड. जब भी हम थ्रोटल के बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे, उसका मीनिंग क्या है, स्पीड के बारे में हम डिस्कशन कर रहे हैं. मीन ड्रोन की स्पीड कम या ज़्यादा करनी है तो थ्रोटल से करते हैं. सो थ्रोटल से आप जब कोई भी डायरेक्शन आपने मूव नहीं किया, लेफ्ट या राइट, तो जैसे ही थ्रोटल को देंगे सभी मोटर की आपकी स्पीड इंक्रीज होगी, एंड आफ्टर इंक्रीजिंग स्पीड योर ड्रोन विल मूव अपवर्ड डायरेक्शन, स्ट्रेट इट विल गो ऑन द स्काई. देन आफ्टर दैट यू हैव टू मेंटेन एल्टीट्यूड. सो एल्टीट्यूड मेंटेन करने के लिए क्या होगा, आपको इन 2 कीज से कंट्रोल करना है. जैसे यहाँ से आपका ऊपर जाएगा, थ्रोटल इंक्रीज होगा, और यहाँ से डिक्रीज होगा, स्टॉप होगा वहां पे. सो थ्रोटल मेंटेन कैसे करेंगे वो प्रैक्टिस करनी है सबसे पहले, दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सो वी आर गोइंग टू प्रोसीड इट so that you can do it. So after that you can see this one is a drone, and over there you can see FPV view that previously yesterday we were discussing about FPV, that is first person view. So that is this one view, ये वाला जो view होता है drone का, इसे बोलते हैं FPV view over there. So यहाँ पे हमें क्या करना है, so what we have to do over here, we have to fly drone, we have to start it, and we have to use 2 keys, and there is a time also, time left. So as we are going to start it, so in 10 seconds we have to maintain one height and stay with bound till time expires. So we have to maintain that height up to 10 seconds. So हमें कौन कौन से कमांड हमें यूज करने थे यहाँ पे, W, A, W and S. To we have to use it, like I'm going to use it W, as I will press enter. My mouse is not working. Okay, I think that get crashed over here also in the computer. So I'm going to escape it. Yes, now it is working. So these 2 commands, yes, I'm using W now. So in the W, we have to again press W so that we can maintain height, and up to 10 seconds we have to maintain this height. using W. So I'm just going to try to maintain the height that you can see it up to there is 7 second timer is going on. So we have to maintain height. So every time when it is going down, we have to press the W and we have to leave it so that we can maintain height. So that get crashed. So again I'm going to move it. So if we are going to beyond this stadium, अगर stadium से beyond हम जाएंगे, then also we are going to cross the limit. So हमें stadium से बाहर भी नहीं निकलना है और height भी हमें maintain करनी है. Yes, this one we have finished the task. Yes. So पहला टास्क हमने फिनिश कर लिया है. द टास्क वाज अबाउट टू कंट्रोल द थ्रोटल. थ्रोटल को कंट्रोल हमें कैसे करना है, ये टास्क था फर्स्ट वन. सेकेंड टास्क इज ओवर हियर. या का मीनिंग क्या है यहाँ पे आप समझ जाएंगे इस सिमुलेटर में. सो यू कैन मेक इट इजिली. जब हम रियल टाइम थ्रोटल का सेटअप करेंगे और रियल टाइम ट्रांसमीटर और रिसीवर का सेटअप करेंगे, एट द टाइम वी हैव टू डिस्कस अबाउट या. व्हाट इज द या मीन यू कैन सी दिस वन इज ए ड्रोन. आपको इस तरह से 360 डिग्री रोटेट करना है क्लॉकवाइज और एंटी क्लॉकवाइज. दैट इज took place with the help of that या. so that we are going to use it. अगर हमें या का थ्रोटल जो या का हमारा कंट्रोल पॉइंट होगा उससे हम इसे कंट्रोल करेंगे. सो दैट वी कैन सेटअप इट ऑल्सो. ये हम आगे प्रैक्टिकली भी करेंगे. सो यहाँ पे अगर 360 हमें लेफ्ट और राइट रोटेट करना है, सो उसके लिए ये वाला कमांड हम यूज करेंगे. सो फॉर रोटेट द ड्रोन राइट और लेफ्ट बाय फ्लोइंग द कोरस्पॉन्डिंग कंट्रोल. सो अगर हमें लेफ्ट और राइट ड्रोन को मूव करना है, सो वी आर गोइंग टू यूज दिस कमांड. सो ये आपको ये नोट कर लेना है साथ के साथ चीजें, क्योंकि जब हम प्रैक्टिस आगे करेंगे, प्रैक्टिकली करेंगे, सो वी हैव टू यूज ऑल दीज थिंग्स. थ्रोटल मीन कि हमें ड्रोन को स्ट्रेट अपवर्ड लेके जाना है स्काई की तरफ. और या का मीनिंग क्या होगा हमारा कि ड्रोन को लेफ्ट और राइट अगर हमें मूव कराना है या 360 डिग्री रोटेट कराना है, so that we can do it using या. So in this flowing challenge, what we have to do it, you will be tasked to make a full 360 turn to the right and to the left. आपको लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे एंटी क्लॉकवाइज 360 का टर्न लेना है और क्लॉकवाइज आपको 360 का टर्न लेना है. सो वी हैव टू यूज ए एंड डी. तो ये लेफ्ट वाली और राइट वाली की होगी आपकी थ्रोटल के अंदर और आपके जो ट्रांसमीटर के अंदर, उन्हीं कीज का हमें यहाँ पे यूज करना है. सो लेट्स सी हाउ वी कैन यूज इट. सो यहाँ पे हम क्या करते हैं किया. You can type your answer in the chat box. Am I audible to everyone? सभी को आवाज सुनाई दे रही है? Am I audible to everyone? Okay, that's great. So what is the purpose of ya? Why we are going to use ya? So ya mean that we are going to rotate the drone. Drone को हमें rotate करना left या right या 360 degree हमें rotate करना है. So ya we are going to use it. Ya is a specific key that we are going to use in a drone. So now we are going to perform practical. So proceed. As we are going to proceed it. So what we have to do it, we have to lift a drone. Drone को हमें थोड़ा lift करना है. Then after that we have to rotate 360 degree in a left and right. So now no need to lift it because already drone आपका एक height पे है. So you have to use A and D command. So right turn लेना है आपको, left turn लेना है. So turn the right, पहले हमें right turn लेना है like this. So 360 degree का हमें यहाँ पे टर्न लेना और वापस उसी पोजीशन पे आना है. सो लेफ्ट टर्न हमने कंप्लीट कर लिया है, राइट टर्न कंप्लीट किया. अभी हम लेफ्ट टर्न लेंगे. लेफ्ट टर्न क्या करना है, हमें 360 डिग्री रोटेट कर करके देखना है. एंड वी हैव टू कम बैक टू दी ओरिजिनल पोजीशन. ये आपकी क्या थी, ओरिजिनल पोजीशन. सो ये वाला टास्क हमने कंप्लीट किया, दैट इज या. अब हम दो टास्क एक साथ करेंगे, या और थ्रोटल. उससे क्या करना है, हमें एक हाइट भी मेंटेन करनी है और लेफ्ट और राइट भी रोटेट करना है. दैट इज लिटिल बिट कॉम्प्लेक्स चैलेंज, लिटिल बिट कॉम्प्लेक्स एज कंपैरिजन टू द प्रीवियस वन. सो यहाँ पे हमें क्या करना होगा, लेफ्ट और राइट भी मूव करना है और हाइट पे भी लेके जाना है. Since you are now familiar with the both yaw and throttle, it's time to utilize both of those skills. So you will be challenged to turn the drone all the way to the right, then all the way to the left while maintaining altitude at the same time. कि left और right हमें rotate करना है, and we have to use all these three keys, W, A, S, D. So W you have to use for maintaining height, और A और S से आपको क्या करना है, A और D से left और right में move करना है. So we are going to proceed it. So सबसे पहले आपको right turn लेना है and you have to maintain height also. So we are going to make right turn. थ्री 360 डिग्री राइट टर्न लेना है हमें, हाइट भी मेंटेन करनी है. राइट टर्न हमने ले लिया है, अब हमें क्या करना है, लेफ्ट टर्न लेना है 360 डिग्री. ओके, सो दैट वी हैव आल्सो डन इट. सो अभी हमने क्या डिस्कस किया यहाँ पे कि यो या हमने डिस्कस किया, यहाँ से हम क्या कर सकते हैं, 360 डिग्री रोटेट कर सकते हैं क्लॉकवाइज और एंटी क्लॉकवाइज. सो नाउ व्हाट नेक्स्ट वी हैव टू डू इट ओवर हियर. अब हमें यहाँ पे क्या करना है, वी हैव टू यूज पिच. सो वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस नाउ दैट इज पिच. So in the pitch, what we can do it, in the pitch you can see we can rotate it, tilt it in left direction and right direction. So ये जो tilt है ये कर सकते हैं हम left direction में और right direction में tilt, left tilt and right tilt. For that we have to use right hand side command. Right hand side command mean the control of right hand. So when we are going to control a drone using a transmitter, so over there is a two stick, one is left and second is right. So from left stick what we can control it, we can control from the left stick, that is throttle and yaw. And now with the help of right stick, right joystick, we can control in a drone, that is pitch. Pitch हम control करेंगे right stick से in a drone. So we are going to consider over here a stick, that is JIKL in a keyboard. So pitch का meaning क्या है कि pitch से हम क्या करेंगे, drone को tilt करना है left और right. So that tilt we can do it in a drone. So that is also important कि जब हमें precise turn लेना है या high speed से turn लेना है, so that turn also we can take it using that pitch, which is also very important. So यहाँ पे अभी हम क्या डिस्कस करते हैं, pitch. So pitch is a tilt that we can detect it, that is forward or reverse, that we can get it over here. So in the following challenge, what we are going to do it, you have to task to do a front flip, then back flip. Flip also you can do it over here. अगर ड्रोन में आपको फ्लिप मारना है, that flip also you can took place using that pitch. कि लेफ्ट फ्लिक लेना है या राइट फ्लिक आपको मारना है, so that flip you can do it using this one. So now in the following challenge you will be tasked to do a front flip then a back flip, so that we can do it using this one. So over there you can see this one is a over here, this one is a front and this one is a back side. So अगर आपको आगे से नीचे की तरफ झुकाना है या नीचे पीछे से आगे पीछे करना है, so that we can do it using that pitch. So there is one more concept also coming, that is roll. Roll, pitch, both are important. Roll and pitch are very important in a drone. So pitch you can see it. So ये आपका front है, ये back side है, and how we can perform that pitch, forward, down, forward, up. So that we are going to check it out over here. So we are going to do some flip. Flip हम drone में perform करेंगे. So proceed it. Now we have to perform flip, that is forward and reverse. So we have to use keys. So like this one is a flip that we are going to do it forward, and again I'm going to use flip over here, that is backward. This one, that is backward flip. So that flip also you can perform it over here. Now we are going to use two things. So two things we are going to use it simultaneously over here, that is pitch plus throttle. So throttle we are going to use it, and we are going to use pitch also. So throttle means we are going to bring drone on some height, and after that we are going to make a flip over there. So let's see how we can do it. So both thing we have to use it, both stick we have to use it. So यहाँ पे हमें क्या करना है, दोनों स्टिक यूज करना है, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड वाली और राइट हैंड साइड वाली दोनों स्टिक. सो लेट्स सी हाउ वी कैन डू इट. सो सबसे पहले हमें क्या करना है, ड्रोन को कुछ हाइट पे लेके जाना है, एंड देन वी हैव टू टेक सम फ्लिप. सो आई एम गोइंग टू टेक राइट फ्लिप. So it get crashed. So this one is little bit challenging, so I'm going to take it on the height. So it get crashed again. So let me do the flip. Okay, so no need to take a flip over there. What we have to do, fly straight forward until you reach the end. So we have to go until the end. End तक हमें जाना है यहाँ पे. So we have to go to the end. So we have to move fly. So distance also that is given. So that distance, up to the distance we have to go. So that is not working. So again, I'm going to check it out. So drone is not moving right now. So I'm going to restart it again. Restart. Or so fly straight forward. So हमें fly करना है straight. So थोड़ा सा tilt करके हम fly कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे. So we have crossed the limit. हाइट हमें कम से कम जाना, आगे की तरफ मूव करना है थोड़ा सा हमें, और ड्रोन को मूव करना है. सो दैट इज वेरी चैलेंजिंग थिंग. सो फॉर दैट यू नीड लॉट ऑफ प्रैक्टिस फॉर डूइंग दिस. सो जैसे ही हमने ड्रोन पीछे की तरफ आ रहा, हमने मूव किया, टिल्ट किया, आगे की तरफ मूव किया, बट जैसे ही हम आगे करते हैं ये अपर लिमिट को क्रॉस कर जाता है. सो ड्रोन इज क्रॉसिंग अपर लिमिट. So I'm just slowly I'm moving it. So control is very important. So we are just trying to reach the end. We are just about to reach the end. You can see it, we have reached the end. Now what we have to do it, we have to move back. This one is our end. So now we are moving back. So, and we have reached it over here, but we are not able to see now. Let me come back. So we are very close to that one. So let me move it. Yes, we are coming back like this. Yes, we came to the starting positions. So in that way, you have to perform that specific task. This task में हमें क्या करना है? We have to go forward and we have to reach the end. End तक हमें जाना है और फिर हमें वापस आना है. So now we are just moving again forward. So forward के लिए आपको क्या करना है? We have to go like this. So we are just going to use it. So throttle भी आपको यूज करना है और हाइट भी आपको मिनिमम लेके जानी है. ज़्यादा हाइट पे अगर आपने लिमिट स्टेडियम से बाहर आए आप, तो आपका क्रैश हो जाएगा. सो यू विल गो आउट ऑफ रेंज. Now we are moving faster. Yes, that is very challenging thing over here that we can do it. So that is about practice part. So all the things that we have to practice it, that is very important over here. So we are just moving to the end over here, that you can see it. So we are just about to reach the end. This one is the end of stadium. Yes, we just crossed it. So we are coming back. So drone get lost over there. So that you have to practice it. Then after that, what we have to do it, we will able to continue with the next step as you are going to complete that task. That we have to do it. Now I'm coming back to the practice part. So that few training part you have to do it. And after doing that training, we are just coming to the main menu. So this one is a simple training. Now we are going to fly it. Just suppose we are now capable to do practice, and now we are going to fly it. So there is a different thing over here. So as we are going to fly it, so there is a option over there, the stadium. So you can select different stadium as per your requirements. So like as I'm going to select this stadium, so let me select this one. So these are the different racing stadium. So over there you can see this one is a drone. Now you can do practice over there. So we are going to fly it. So flying की testing आप यहाँ पे कर सकते हैं. So that you are going to, this one we are going to fly it. So get crashed over there. हमने यहाँ पे flip करवा दिया इसे. So you can see we are just moving it forward, left, forward, left. So अगर आपको आगे की तरफ जाना है तो आपको क्या करना है, फॉरवर्ड वाला जो पिच वाला है उसे प्रेस करना है, और यहाँ से आप क्या कर सकते हैं, लेफ्ट और राइट आप देख सकते हैं इस तरह से. All the stadium also you can see it over here, and you can move drone like this. So अगर आपको वापस move करना है like this, so that you can see it. So in that way you can practice it, but for working on the software you need a lot of practice. So now what we are going to do it, so that we have to practice it. Today we are just going to do only one task. This one task we have to do it. So this one software you have to install it. First of all, सबसे पहले आपको क्या करना है, ये वाला इंस्टॉल करना है अपने कंप्यूटर्स में और इसे प्रैक्टिस करना है. So this one is very important. So with the help of that you can understand all the pitch, yaw and throttle. So three concepts you will get familiar over here, and with the help of that you will able to fly any kind of complex drone also. Then after that we are going to discuss about different mode of a drone. So let me tell you over here what are the different mode. जैसे कि आपको ड्रोन सेल्फ बैलेंस मोड में फ्लाई करना है. सेल्फ बैलेंस मोड का मीनिंग क्या होगा आपके ड्रोन का. सो लेट मी एंड इट. Yes. So when we are going to use drone in a self balance mode, so for that you will find over here setting. Setting के अंदर आप यहाँ देखेंगे. So these are joystick like things, like if you are using external drone. So drone में आपका यहाँ पे देखिए ये है flight mode. That is important कि आपको ड्रोन किस मोड में फ्लाई करना है. जैसे सबसे पहले यहाँ पे कि हॉरिजन है. हॉरिजन में क्या होगा, मैनुअली आपको सब कुछ कंट्रोल करना होगा. देन आफ्टर दैट एंगल. एंगल में क्या होगा, सेल्फ बैलेंस होगा, लेकिन काफी स्पीड से आप एंगल में भी उसे ट्विस्ट करना है या टर्न लेना है, इजिली यू कैन टेक इट. एंड देन आफ्टर दैट एक्रो. एक्रो मोड इज ए वेरी एडवांस मोड. ये वाला मोड है हम रेसिंग के लिए यूज करते हैं, रेसिंग ड्रोन जब बनाते हैं. हॉरिजन ये क्या होगा आपका सेल्फ बैलेंस. अब इसमें क्या होगा, इस मोड से अगर आप रन करेंगे ड्रोन को, तो जैसे आप फॉरवर्ड मूव करते हैं तो ड्रोन ऑटोमेटिकली आपको ओरिजिनल पोजीशन पे आ जाएगा। जैसे कि मैं सेटिंग को ओके करता हूँ, सो ओरिजिन, एंड वी आर कमिंग बैक टू द जर्नल, फ्लाई। सो जैसे हम यहाँ पे इस मोड के अंदर फ्लाई करेंगे तो हमारा क्या होगा, ड्रोन सेल्फ बैलेंस्ड रहेगा। फ्री रेसिंग मैप। सो यहाँ पे जैसे हम फ्लाई करते हैं फॉरवर्ड, और जैसे हम हाइट पे गए, एक हाइट पे जाने के बाद जैसे मैंने आगे की तरफ टिल्ट किया, वापस ये देखिए ओरिजिनल पोजीशन पे। डू इट अगेन। देखिए ये टर्न लिया मैंने, लेफ्ट टर्न। सो ऑटोमेटिकली इससे काफी स्टेबल रहता है ड्रोन। सो कॉमनली जब फर्स्ट टाइम हम यूज करते हैं ड्रोन को, तो हमें स्टार्ट करना होता है ड्रोन को हॉरिजन मोड में। हॉरिजन मोड में आपका सेल्फ बैलेंस रहेगा ड्रोन, एंड यू विल एबल टू फ्लाई इट इजिली। सो दीज आर फ्यू थिंग्स दैट यू कैन नॉट सी प्रैक्टिकली, क्योंकि प्रैक्टिकल भी अगर हम यहाँ पे परफॉर्म करेंगे, सो यू विल नॉट एबल टू सी दीज थिंग्स। सो दैट यू कैन डू इट विद योर ओन। आप इसे अपने आप से प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं इस सॉफ्टवेयर की हेल्प से। दैट इज फ्री सॉफ्टवेयर, you no need to take any license, just you need a computer, and you can try it in your mobile phone also. मोबाइल फोन पे थोड़ा सा इश्यूज आएंगे क्योंकि ये थोड़ा क्रैश करेगा और काफी ज्यादा फीचर आपको वहां पे नहीं मिलेंगे, बट यू विल एबल टू ट्राई इट ओवर देयर। सो आपको जोयस्टिक भी वहां पे मिलेगी और उसका आप यूज कर सकते हैं। सो जैसे मैं आपको अभी मोबाइल स्क्रीन पे शेयर करने की कोशिश करता हूँ कि आप मोबाइल पे से कैसे रन कर सकते हैं। सो लेट मी शेयर विद यू। Wait for a second, I'm just going to join it using mobile also. Okay, just now I'm just going to share with you mobile screen. So I think mobile screen is visible to everyone. So over there we are going to use that software. ये सॉफ्टवेयर हमें ओपन करना है मोबाइल पे। सो what we have to do, I will share yesterday class recording link, no need to worry about it. So यहाँ पे अभी हमें क्या करना है, इसे ऐप को इंस्टॉल करके ओपन करना है, एंड देन इट विल लुक लाइक दिस। सो इस तरह से आपका ये स्क्रीन। एंड फ्री स्टाइल, लेट मी मेक इट फ्री स्टाइल। यस। सो एक्रो मोड, देखिए आपका कौन सा यहाँ पे, एक्रो। सो दैट मोड ऑल्सो यू कैन सेट अप इट। सो नाउ कमिंग बैक, okay, it coming to the original position, you can resume it. So that setting you can do it, and drone and flying mode you can change it. So horizon, angle, so horizon mode I'm going to select it, apply setting, and then go back, resume this one. Now you can see your mode on the top पे आपका mode भी visible है, that is horizon. So now you will able to fly it. So is these are the joystick. So this one is a throttle, from left hand side I'm doing it throttle. I think that is visible to everyone. So that throttle we are going to take it. So throttle is we are going to take it on more height. So you can take left, right. So over there I'm going to move it left, right. So this one is up down. You can do it using this one that we have discussed over here, pitch. Then this one is pitch in the opposite direction. So this one is a throttle. If you are going to start throttle with a high speed like this, yes, I'm going to make it throttle, you are going out of range like this. So आपको क्या करना, लिमिट के अंदर रहना है. You have to be in a limited range. आपको डिस्टेंस से ज़्यादा नहीं जाना है. So you will able to see speed also. स्पीड भी आपको यहाँ पे विजिबल होगी, एल्टीट्यूड भी आपको विजिबल होगा. So maximum altitude is approximate 40. So you no need to go to the maximum altitude. So you will able to hear that drone sound also. So in that way you can practice in the mobile phone also. So mobile phone पे आप easy से practice कर सकते हैं. Just you have to use all the control very precisely. So अगर आपको यहाँ पे flip लेना है, so you can do flip also. So like this I'm just going to take flip. ये देखिए. So you can go with the flip also like this. Left flip, right flip like this. ये देखिए लेफ्ट फ्लिप, इस तरह से आप ले सकते हैं. तो ये आपका फ्लिप है ड्रोन का कि आप फ्लिप कैसे ले सकते हैं लाइक दिस. सो आपको मूव करना है लेफ्ट राइट, दैट आल्सो यू कैन मूव इट. राइट में मूव कर, लेफ्ट में मूव करना है, दैट यू कैन मूव इट. एंड आपको अगर अप और डाउन देखना है, अप या डाउन में जाना है, दैट आल्सो यू कैन गो. So in that way you can practice it. So this one is a wonderful tool that you have to practice it. So now today I'm going to sum up over here. In next class we are going to talk about hardware. So आपको यहाँ पे प्रैक्टिस करना है और अगली क्लास में हम हार्डवेयर पे असेंबल करेंगे ड्रोन को. ड्रोन की प्रोग्रामिंग कैसे करनी है, प्रोग्रामिंग के लिए आपकी जो ट्यूनिंग है, फाइन ट्यूनिंग कैसे करनी है उसे स्टेबल बनाने के लिए, दैट वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस इन ए नेक्स्ट क्लास. सो आज की क्लास में आपको ये प्रैक्टिस करना है. दिस वन इज ए टूल दैट यू हैव टू प्रैक्टिस इट. और जैसे आप यहाँ पे कंफर्टेबल हो जाते हैं, अगर आपका प्लान है कि मुझे ड्रोन बनाना है, ड्रोन फ्लाई करना है, तो अगर आप यहाँ पे अच्छे कॉन्फिडेंट हो जाते हैं कंट्रोल करने में, देन यू कैन गो फॉर ए स्मॉल ड्रोन फर्स्ट. First you have to go with this nano drone, and in that way you will get more smaller drone also. So that also you can use it over here. I'm just going to share with you one more drone in the camera that you can see it. So over there you can see that is a smaller drone that you can start making it when we are going to do first time. So I'm just going to end it. So in that way you can use over here. So this one is a smaller drone that you can use it for a practice purpose. So that is very easy to fly. Just you have to connect it and you will able to fly it. So now battery is fully drained. So the wire get broken over here, that we have to solder it. So as we are going to connect wire over here, so LED is blinking over here, but the battery is now drained. So I will charge it in the next class. I will show one demo also in the real-time drone also, that how you can make it stable and how you can balance it. So that is very important when we are going to start building a drone. First one, we have to get practice in a simulator. Then after that we have to go with a real-time drone, and we have to assemble it, and after that we have to test it. So if you are comfortable with the practice in this simulator, then you have to go with the hardware. Then I will recommend it to go to the hardware. Otherwise I will not recommend you to directly go to the hardware. So that is not a good choice. Yes. So now if any participant having any kind of doubt, that you can ask over here in the chat box. अगर किसी का कोई भी डाउट है तो आप यहाँ पे पूछ सकते हैं चैट बॉक्स में. If you want to unmute your mic, that also you can do it. कल की क्लास की रिकॉर्डिंग आपको मैं शेयर कर दूंगा, दैट आई विल शेयर विद यू. और जो लोग यूट्यूब पे वॉच कर रहे हैं वो भी आप कमेंट टाइप कर सकते हैं. सो आई विल आंसर देयर कमेंट ऑल्सो. यस, किसी का कोई भी डाउट है वो आप यहाँ पे पूछ सकते हैं. And this one software you have to use it in your mobile, that I shared with you, that mobile app, and you have to use it in your computer also. And if you face any difficulty while installing this software, so that also we can discuss in the next class. And then directly we will come up on the hardware. So first we will discuss about design calculation, that how we have to select motor, how we have to select transmitter and receiver, and how we have to select flight controller. So which one flight controller, for what cost we are going to get it from the market. So that we are going to discuss, and I will share with you one demonstration also with a small drone in the tomorrow class. And in the last class we are going to do the demo of a bigger drone, so that we are going to also do it. We are going to assemble it first, then we are going to uh, uh, take flight also with that bigger drone. So today we are going to sum up it over here. Thank you so much.